$40 for a candle for me is a little steep, and I'm not doing it. Hey kitties, welcome back to my channel. If you are new here, I'm Marilyn, and I'm bringing you all things beauty, fashion, lifestyle, a little bit of fragrance. So if you like that kind of stuff, go ahead and subscribe. Hey kitties, so we have a FabFitFun Spring 2025, Spring 2025 box that we need to open. So this is going to be a little bit of a spoiler alert. So if you are right now trying to choose 3 different options in your spring box, I'm here to help. Huge shout out to FabFitFun for partnering with me today on this video to get you guys another unboxing, and this is going to be for spring 2025. I know we're in the winter. I'm not trying to fast forward your life, but spring is approaching already. And if you don't know what FabFitFun is, it's basically a lifestyle subscription box where you get 6 full-size items in your box. You have memberships to choose from, whether it be seasonal, that is every season you get a box for $69.99. If you decide to go for that box, you can actually use my coupon code to get 20% off your first box, or you can go for the annual membership, which is a little bit more savings, more bang for the buck, you know. The cost of that is $219 for the year. So for every season, you will receive a box, and you can use my code and get a free gift up to $200 in value. Now, the good thing about the FabFitFun box is it's completely customizable, so there's no surprises. You get to pick what you want to suit your lifestyle. So that is the beauty of the FabFitFun box. And these are brands that you're familiar with. I mean, as you can see on my box here, there's brands like Topicals, Bobbi Brown, Milk Makeup, Desi Skin, all that. All the information will be in my description. So if you decide to sign up, go ahead and use my coupon code, save some money. Now let's see what's inside the box. Look at the box. So cute. Hopefully you guys can see it, and it's in the shop. Oh. All right, so this is how the box looks. So cute, and it's getting you ready for spring pretty much. It's putting you in the mood. All right, so let's pull out the first thing. No particular order, so let's just pull out the first thing that I can grab. And this is the widget set on dipping bowls. This retails for $29. Typically with your box, you're gonna get a value of up to $350 in the box. So although every season you're paying just $69.99 per box, each box can be valued at up to $350. The math makes sense. Yeah, exactly. But the first item that I got in the box is this widget dipping set. So when I got this is what the box looks like. I'm gonna open it up. Now when I got this, I had my husband in mind, okay? He loves a good dip. He loves a little dipping sauce here and there on his meals. And I was like, you know what? This might be useful for us, because we need containers that are smaller that you can put a little bit of sauce in for your wings or whatever you're eating at that time, like on game day, or if you have a game day at your house, or if you have a movie night, you just need that little sauce, you know, cute display. Yeah, all of that. So I thought, why not get these dipping bowls, and let's take them out. There's 4 in this set. So I'm gonna take it out and see what it looks like. Oh, they're so cute. Look at that. So these are how they look, just so you can see the size of them. These are actually really nice though. A little bit nicer than an average dipping bowl to me. Really cute. So it looks very classy, I would say. So again, there's 4 that come along in with this. And I think this is a great pick, especially if you love a good dip. A little dip in sauce, at least. And if you want to do it like in a dinner party sort of way, or if you have friends over, this is the type of dipping bowl that I would bring out for that occasion. It looks a little bit nice for just a casual day, but it's okay to be elevated even on a casual day. So these were a really great pick. They're a little bit better than I expected, actually. So yeah, these are very, very high quality, and I do like that. So I got my husband something out of my little, my little gift. So it's not all about me, It's not all about me. I had to get something for him too. But at the end of the day, it's still for me. Okay, so the next thing that I got is the Free the People Jasmine plus Coconut Candle. I love candles. That is my air freshener of choice, is to light a really great candle. It sets ambiance. It has a nice smell. It's just like, your home just needs a candle in one of the rooms, or two of the rooms, or all of the rooms. You need a nice candle. So this is by Free the People. This is a $40 candle. Okay, and it better smell good. Because that's a big deal. I like things to be cute, but this has to smell good. The shade of it is, I can smell it through the, wow. I can really smell it through the box. This smells good. This is a bathroom candle all the way. This smell is something that belongs in the bathroom. It comes in this cute teal shade. A lot of the, I don't know, the wax or whatever kind of got around the rim. I'm not sure what happened there. I don't know if you guys can see that. Not really sure what happened during the delivery, but the smell absolutely makes up for it. This is a scent that I would love in a bathroom. It's really fresh. It has a little bit of sweet from the coconut. The jasmine is very calming. I actually love this. Why? I'm literally putting it in my nose. Like, yeah, impressed. This is a $40 candle. $40 candle. Me personally, I have never purchased a candle that was more than $20. Never. It's just not my thing to do. So the fact that this came in the box, that's perfect, because on its own, $40 for a candle for me is a little steep, and I'm not doing it. But in a box like this, it just makes sense. This is getting lit up today. Absolutely. Okay, so the next item I got was a body wash. This is the Molton Brown body wash. This retails, I think I wrote it, this retails for $35 for just this. And it is the scent orange and bergamot. I love bergamot. I love that fresh, clean smell. Calming even. I just love that clean. And this is exactly what it needs to be. I love this scent. This is a body wash that I would use in the daytime. I probably wouldn't take a shower with this at night, but in the daytime when you need to wake up, feel fresh, get your day started, this is an uplifting smell. Absolutely. The orange, I'm really taking a hit of this. I really do love it. This is the packaging, so you guys can see what it looks like in the bottle. This is a spa sort of scent. Oh my gosh. Showering with this and then lighting that Free the People candle, it's going to be a calm day. It's going to be a really calm day. Next, I have this bubble bangle. This retails for $45, and I haven't opened it yet, but this is not what I expected. I thought the bubbles, or the little circular balls here, I thought they were bigger. This looks a little bit, we'll take out the package and see, but this is what it looks like in the package. And I will say, this item, I'm kind of disappointed in so far, but I'm going to put it on my hand and see what it looks like. I just thought the pearls or the circles on it were bigger. So let me do that. It's like a stretchy bangle. Let me just take the packaging off. It comes with this cute little ribbon, but I don't really care about that. Let's take this off. And okay, so it comes with multiple bangles. They're detached, so they're not all together. This one has a cute little charm. As you can see, it has a cute little charm. Let me put it on, because this is what it looks like on. I don't know about this. Maybe let me see one at a time. I don't know about this. I think I might give this to my niece. It would be this is very age appropriate for my niece. To me, I don't feel like an adult with this on. I don't know. I don't really feel like an adult with this. I just thought it would be looser as well, like more dangly. I don't like how it's just fitted to my arm. So I picked this. However, I wish I picked something else. So let me know what you guys think. I think I'm going to give this to my niece, and she probably would absolutely love it. I don't know what I was thinking with that one. Maybe if I layer it with other jewelry, it may actually be better. Like 2 at a time with another bracelet, maybe a watch. That might be actually cute. But something is telling me, give it to your niece. So next we have, I feel like everyone should have this in their box. You should choose this. Everyone watching this video, you should choose it. So this is the Bondi Boost Anti-Fridge Flyaway Wand. And everybody I know has at least a flyaway or two, okay? And when I saw this, I grabbed. I was like, you know what? In the cart you go. In the box you go rather. This retails for $16. I'm just gonna pop this open because I already know I need it. The plastic off, and this is the wand. It's gonna be clear. Yes, a nice thin consistency, perfect for flyaways, girl. And I need this. I need this. You need it too. I don't care who's watching this. If you have hair, you have flyaways. That's just how life is. And you need something that's going to help you get rid of those flyaways, or at least tame them for the moment. You're about to take a picture, you have a little hair sticking up at the top. We don't want that. We don't want that little strand of hair to mess things up. So we need something small and compact that can just fit in our purse, and we can take it on the go. And flyaways who? Flyaways who? Now, this is the last item that's in my box, and this is the Bala Bangles Windbreaker. This retails for $80. This retails for $80. Okay? Do you remember when I told you that a seasonal box is $69.99? Okay. Okay. So let's go ahead and open this up, check the material out, see what it's like. This is what it looks like. This is a windbreaker. You hear it? This is a windbreaker. This is in size extra large. This is what it looks like. Okay guys, so different view. I felt like I should try it on instead of just showing it to you because you may want to see the sizing. So this is, I'm normally like a size 14. This is a size extra large, and this is how it fits on me. I'm 5'8", so I'm pretty tall. This is how long the sleeves are. So it has a little bit of room. This is, to me, for exercising in. It's going to help create some sweat just because of the material. It has a little zipper here. I don't know if you can. All right, so it has a zipper right here. Oh, there's a zipper on both sides. So I really like it. I really love the color, and I think it's good. I'm definitely going to be using this while I go on my walks and things like that. That's why I actually got it. So this is in the size extra large. So in case you're wondering, you know, how it fits and all of that. Okay, so I left my jacket on, but this is the end of the unboxing. There's nothing left in my box. I hope this helped you choose some items from your box. I loved everything except the bangles. They were kind of like a little bit of a miss, but I can regift that. Not a problem. I can definitely go ahead and regift that. If you have any questions, leave them down in the comments. Don't forget to like the video. Be sure to check the description for the link to sign up for your next FabFitFun box. Be sure to subscribe, come back, and watch another video. This time